I've never seen anything like that either. That's so insane. I mean, that's just super. Wow, that hit the ground over there, didn't it? Yeah. You don't hear it unless it hits the ground. That's coming right over our heads, too. It's like freaking something out of a Steven Spielberg movie. Oh my God. Yeah, well, I'm kind of nervous about the whole thing anyway. God, I'm getting this on video. That's awesome. You know, it's a cell phone. Still, sweet. It's doing over there in that cloud over there too. Did you see that? Yeah. Oh my God. All right, that's probably a good idea if we go in. Yeah. That's awesome.